What is going on, guys? Welcome back to another video. Before we get into the video, please hit the thumbs up and subscribe to the channel. We're almost at 3,000 subs and I really want to make it there because I never thought I was going to get so close this year to actually making it to 3,000 subs. We're here at Adrian's house and we're doing an unboxing today. We're doing an unboxing on the TOMEI Exhaust that came in. So I'm going to get up a little bit so Adrian can open and crack the box. We'll come back when the box is open. Alright guys, so Adrian, where's this exhaust coming from?
This exhaust is coming from the motherland.
Oh, so this came straight from Japan?
Straight from Japan? No. I was waiting for, it was purchased through FR Sport, but I was waiting for it to be delivered from TOMEI.
Exactly, like straight from TOMEI, yeah.
Yeah, because it was out of stock.
Okay.
And by the way, this weighs like...
Let me see, let me carry it.
It doesn't weigh anything.
Holy crap, it doesn't weigh anything.
It doesn't weigh a thing. Wow, oh, look, this is the can.
Oh, that's the can.
Oh,
burn tip. So this exhaust is going on the R32 4-door. Yeah. I guess you got all the flanges and everything in there. By the way, if you guys want to get this, Andy McFly does this type of lamps. It has the bulb and it's what is it, like a little flywheel and a gear and a camshaft, and it has like the little intake on top. Hit up Andy McFly if you want to get yourself a little lamp. Oh, you got a little TOMEI, comes with a little TOMEI badge. And the silencer. And all the bolts.
The size of
Jesus.
Huge.
Comes with the gasket, all the bolts, and it comes with the little grease. Wow, look at those yeah, because it's like those clamps.
It's a slip over, yeah.
Those clamps. What is this black part? Is that for the bumper?
That is, okay, so that goes around the actual muffler.
So it doesn't burn the exhaust?
Well, so
I mean, it doesn't burn the bumper?
The muffler doesn't have like tabs that hold it up. Sorry, it doesn't have like the brackets for the exhaust hangers welded to the actual muffler.
Okay.
So it actually has like this bracket. Now I'm gonna try to open it now.
All right, let's jump into a time lapse while we crack all this open. Alright guys, so I want to show you the welding on it. Man, these people do a great job. TOMEI does an amazing job with their welds. There's the cat here.
That's what I wonder.
Fall to the abyss.
I wonder if it's like...
Look at this one.
I don't know enough about welding, but I wonder if it's like is it something like a machine guided type of weld?
Could be like a machine because it looks really good. Look at this.
I mean,
this is amazing. Look, the camera gets a focus on it. I'm gonna touch focus on it. There we go. Look at that.
God, look at this.
Silencer there.
Yeah, that silencer's not gonna go.
It's not going on. We live in Florida. We don't have to pass any type of smog or any BART or any of that stuff.
Oh my God, look at this.
Whew. Meu Deus.
Woo!
It's amazing.
It's beautiful.
Look at the
oh, that's gorgeous. Sorry.
That looks beautiful. This is gonna look so good on there. Look, and it says like, what does it say like on the side, like Extreme or something like that?
Yeah, you remember I don't know what, like, if it's pronounced Extreme TI, but it's the full titanium exhaust. I mean, this is the heaviest part of the exhaust.
We don't gotta weigh to weigh it, but it's you gotta weigh?
Yeah.
All right, bring it out. Let's weigh it. So we're gonna weigh in now. Let's get the weight.
It's like you have to like press it once. No, you don't gotta.
And I want to see how much I weigh.
Okay.
That's wrong. That's wrong. That's hella wrong. That's hella wrong. 202 pounds. That's hella wrong. You have to set that back to 0, right? All right, now you gotta take it off now and put it on. Wait, hold on, what? There you go.
No,
Nah, there's no way because it's on pounds. Does that even weigh pounds? It has to weigh at least two
it
pounds.
weighs a couple of pounds, but...
Well, take it off. Take it off and let it reset.
Okay, no, I got an idea. This is what we're gonna do. I'm gonna weigh myself with it and without it.
Here, let me hold it. Well, I was already 202.
Here. It's okay.
I was already 202.
I want to see how much I weigh.
Guarantee you're more than over 200.
I'm not. I'm like 175, 176.
Okay, so Adrian's weighing himself now. He weighs 177, but he put on the exhaust and he lost weight.
What is going on with this shit? Javier, you broke my fucking scale.
Okay, hold on. Adrian's beautiful toes here on the cameras. Okay, so 177, 183, you're looking at about like 6 pounds.
6 pounds?
Yeah.
Just for the
so that
for the muffler tip.
So the catback alone, not the catback, the tip weighs 6 pounds. So
I
now
mean,
we're gonna do both pipes.
I don't know how accurate this is, obviously, but at least to get an estimate.
Yeah. And we are 185, so you're looking at about 7 pounds. You're looking at a total of like 14 pounds.
Yeah, the whole exhaust system.
The whole exhaust, 14 pounds. Add about another extra pound with the flanges and the clamp and all that stuff, and maybe. That's pretty good for an exhaust, 14 pounds, huh?
It's pretty crazy. Let me see.
And you got the instructions there. It comes with the badge. It comes with the TOMEI badge.
Yeah, let me
definitely
open it
not gonna be putting. Are you gonna be putting that on the car? Nah.
No. I'll probably put it on my toolbox. This is not something that you would keep, like, it's not worth any, it doesn't have value.
Yeah. It's probably made
the
out of
stickers
plastic.
is what I, wow, it gives you quite a bit of stickers.
What is it? Extreme or Expreme?
Expreme.
Expreme TI, okay.
I don't know what that means. I don't know if it's quiet mode. Look, it's actually like English.
Is it in English? Okay.
Yeah. I'm pretty sure this comes from TOMEI USA.
What does this mean? Look, it says you can actually break the pipe. Like it actually will break if you.
Okay. Do not use reinforced exhaust. Oh shit. Do not use reinforced exhaust hangers. Our products are designed to be used with stock
hangers.
Exhaust hangers. Using reinforced hangers causes vibrations from the engine and or through driving to transmit directly to the exhaust. Sorry, which can cause it to crack or break. As products are considerably lighter than stock, reinforced exhaust hangers are not necessary. If the stock hangers are worn or have become brittle, ensure you replace these with new. Oh, okay. So there goes.
Oh, we got stock hangers on it, right?
I'm not gonna. Yeah, I do. I just don't know how bad they are, but it's a good point. I mean, it's a valid point. This weighs next to nothing. I mean, you know, I can always play by ear. If I see that, you know, one area is a little weaker than the other, you know, I can.
Yeah, keep an eye
I can
on.
just order OEM, but I don't even know if they sell OEM ones, to be honest with you. But
it's not like our local dealers.
But you know what it is that it's such a and I understand why. It's a very thin weld. Like you can actually see.
Do you think those molds are made for weight, like meaning like weight reduction? Is that like a stupid question?
I don't know. I mean, I really don't know the answer to that. I mean,
well, it's not like the local dealer. It's not like the local dealer sells the stock exhaust hangers for our Skylines. We don't. we're in Florida. That's not gonna happen. But we could definitely run it without the silencer. Go ahead.
Ensure the steel plate is correctly centered.
And it comes with the also comes with the spring. Jesus, it comes with a spring that grabs onto here.
Yeah, this doesn't this part does. I don't think these parts get
So it comes with the grease. It's called
grease is for the bolts.
Bolt smooth paste from actual TOMEI. And you can see it there. This camera's having problems focusing, but yeah, you can see it there. You can put it on the bolts, and it's got the little flange and stuff. But anyways, for at least for today, you guys get an unboxing. We are installing the exhaust. We were working on the EK. We've been working on the EK all day. And we were waiting for the exhaust to get here. We had coffee. We've been chasing down the UPS guy. But for today, you guys get an unboxing because the installation video is going to take a while for me to edit it, but it will be up tomorrow. So I'll get this one up today, which is the unboxing, obviously, and me and Adrian doing the weigh-ins, you know, which is pretty good for a catback. 15 pounds, that's nuts. About 17 pounds. I'll say like a total of 8.
No, 6 plus 7. Sorry.
Yeah, 6 plus 7, you're looking at like 13, 14 pounds. Yeah, give or take like 15 pounds, but that's pretty crazy for an exhaust going on a 4-door R32. I ran out of memory on the SD card. I've been recording all the vlogs here, but I deleted some of the stuff. Anyway, so give or take like 15, 16 pounds in total for an R32 4-door. It's pretty good. But anyways, you guys, you get the unboxing, and we just been going over the instructions, and tomorrow we do the installation video, like I said, because we've been working on the EK hatch the whole day. Also fixed a little bit of my exhaust leak on the hatch. I gotta sort that out. Anyways, that car just needs some motor swap, but it's good that we're doing stuff like this. It's good that I'm bringing you the content for this, the Skyline, obviously, and this RX-7, and all the cars that I can film in the vlog, because I wanted to bring diversity into the vlog. I don't want it just to be straight Honda. I'm a car guy, and imports is what I love, so I wanted to bring diversity. And what better than an R32, RX-7, and whatever else is out there that we can film and bring it to you guys. Remember to subscribe. It goes a long way, and I'll see you guys on the next one.